Good day. We're the group to present the safety management. Safety first. Rule of thumb. Any machine part or function process which may cause injury must be safeguarded. Just like our body, it must be safeguarded with our personal protective equipment. Introduction. Engineers have played a major role in technological advancement that have created many changes for mankind. For example, industrial revolution, power plants, and buildings. And with that, we need safety management. Safety management, not only technological change, introduce new methods, materials, products, and equipment into use by society, but also new hazards. And these hazards may occur accidents, but for us, we have for safety engineers created occupational safety and health standards for the workers and engineers. This economic transformation changed not only how work was done and goods were produced, but also altered how people related both to one another to secure safety. Safety protective equipment or your personal protective equipment. These are your personal protective equipment such as helmet, boots, etc. It is very important for us who works close to hazardous environments such as site plant, power plant, and even hospitals. And it is under safety management. So, let's talk about our product. Our product is all about personal protective equipment, especially helmets. So, about helmets, it is designed by and manufactured first by Bollard with aluminum hard hat, which is considered very durable and reasonably lightweight for time. But now, technology is innovated and created a new equipment for the product. So this is the skull guard hat, and this helmet was made with highly quality, very resistant materials, but it will not last forever. So anything materials that will not last forever if hindi naalagaan. Then we must consider safety management plan. Why it is important for engineers? Because it saves lives. Wearing hard mandatory equipment is set forth by OSHA, or Occupational Safety and Administration, which requires employers to provide workers with hard hats and ensure that you wear them. So, hard hat is important for engineers, especially civil engineers who work in the site plan. Thank you. Next.
Now I'm gonna report the MSA Skullguard Hard Hat. First, what does MSA stand for? It is Mine Safety Appliances. It's a maker of sophisticated safety products that help protect workers or engineers who may be exposed to a variety of hazardous conditions. A brief history for MSA products. In year 1952, MSA offered the shock guard helmet to protect electrical linemen from electrical shock of up to 10,000 volts. In year 1961, MSA released the Top Guard helmet, the first polycarbonate hard hat. And in the year 1962, they brought the V-Guard helmet, which today is the most widely used hard hat in the United States. Not only in the United States, also in Middle East and Europe part. Now, what are Skullguard hard hats made of? It is MSA Natural Tan Skullguard Phenolic Cup. What is phenolic? It is a colorless crystalline solid and aromatic compound. Hard hat with fast track ratchet suspension. It meets the ANSI. ANSI means it is the American National Standards Institute. Now, fast track free suspension. As the new suspension include the key features. These are 4 key features. First, it has sweatband fully covers the headband and worker's forehead. Second, 3 levels of knit strap adjustment for customized fit. Third, lower knit strap improves retention even when bending over. Fourth, smooth ratchet rotation and screw hole. This is the designed output which the MSA hard hat is made of. This is the stock suspension. Now we recommend this suspension, the replacement suspension, the HDF 18RS Dux Hardan. This plastic is better protection, more comfort padding, and a ratchet hinge fit adjustment. All assembled MSA hard nut. First, at the suspension, the lower right bottom, you see that's the first one. Knob goes in back, the webbing should lie down inside the hat. Second, the fork clips lined with 4 slots, at least how they bend in half, which you see in this lower left picture. Third, pull down clip down through the slot. Use both thumbs pushing from the top until it clicks in place. When you hear the clicks, it means it's locked. And fourth, when all 4 are in place, they should be flat and even. If you see in the upper right, that's a picture.
The MSA Skull Guard is a Type 1 Class G safety helmet, which means that it mostly protects the top of the head and with a capacity to ensure electrical voltage of up to 2200 volts. It also has many applications, such as steel smelting foundries, welding, food processing, manufacturing, construction works, and other confined space works that needs head protection. It also comes with a unique type of suspension called Fast Track 3, a ratcheting suspension which is MSA patented, and it usually comes lighter than most safety helmets available in the market. So these are the advantages of the MSA Skull Guard. First, it is relatively lightweight at 311 grams. It is made from phenolic material rather than ordinary plastic. It is compliant with all the requirements. It can be used by both men and women. Can fit head sizes with a diameter range between 6.5 to 8 inches. It also can withstand temperatures of up to 177 degrees Celsius while maintaining its protective features. It can also be used in heavy industries like steel mills, shipbuilding, and mining. It has glass G protection for top impact. Also great for outdoor use because of its lightness and ease of use. The suspension secures the hat from falling and does not pull hair. It also has a wide selection of skull guard cap tag. So there are 2 disadvantages, and those are: other suspension systems are not included in the purchase, but it's easily available upon order. And you must replace the suspension system at least once a year or when the need arises. So in conclusion, if you want safety headgear that is not expensive but still has the capability of other upscale hard hats, you may choose MSA 475407 Natural Tan Skull Guard Hard Hat as your head protection. Its safety features are undeniably one of the finest in head protection from falling debris or electrical cables in construction sites and other heavy industries, which may result in severe injury and worse, death. Moreover, the MSA 475407 hard hat complies to all available government requirements regarding head safety, so you are assured of its effectiveness in the workplace. So stay safe and always wear your skull guard.